Hi, my name is Gator Hillard, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. And today we're going to talk about making New Orleans style barbecue shrimp. All right, we got the shrimp marinated, salt, pepper. You got your skillet. I like to keep it on, like medium heat. Medium, almost 3/4 up high, whatever. Just dump it in. Whenever you cook something, make sure when it hits the skillet it's hot, because if you don't, it just doesn't cook right. Like, it doesn't sear in like flavors. So we're going to go ahead and just let this cook up for a minute, start getting up that color, and it will take a couple of minutes to get this going. If you're in a rush, cover it, you got to be careful with it. Make sure you watch it, that you don't overcook it. If you do overcook it, you know what it's going to be like. If you ever had overcooked shrimp, go to a restaurant sometimes, go to your friend's house and just don't want to say anything to them about it. Yeah, just make sure you keep on stirring it up. That's why you got the oil in there so it won't stick.